Today's market, FIIs withdraw 1.2 lakh rupees crore, inflation spikes with food prices up 11%, and Swiggy's IPO debuts strong. Plus, Fed rate cut outlook and key earnings to watch. Don't miss the latest insights on navigating volatility. GIFT Nifty wavers in early action, indicating Nifty is likely to bounce between positive and negative territory in today's trade. Well, Nifty is down around 10% from its peak. Blame the selling on FII scam, who have pulled out a record 1.2 lakh rupees crore from Dalal Street. Strictly speaking, it will take more encouraging positive FIIs inflows to spark a massive rebound. So, until FIIs are on the sell side, Nifty bears will look to sell on any strength. The 5 negative catalyst hurting sentiments. 1. The post-election Donald Trump victory is seen taking a breather, hitting the pause button. 2. US Treasury bond prices are trading higher and their yields lower. Please note, yields had risen to their highest levels since July in the wake of Donald Trump's election win. That's because the bond market worried about the potential for inflationary policies like tariffs to stymie rate cuts in 2025. 3. The US dollar has surged to its highest level in a year, now at 106.25 levels. 4. Metal stocks are witnessing bearish action amidst disappointment over China's stimulus measures. 5. India's retail inflation hits 14-month high at 6.2% in October 2024. The negative takeaway was that the food prices soared 11%. In September, food inflation stood at 9.24%. Long story short, downside risk remains for benchmark Nifty. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2503 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 6145 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating lower high-low pattern. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, has spiked towards 15.43 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th November, is at 1.04 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th November, is at 1.13. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. Nifty, CMP to 3559. Support, 23,450 to 23,400. Resistance, 23,750 to 23,800. Range, 23,400 to 23,800. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50088. Support, 49,750 to 49,700. Resistance, 50,350 to 50,400. Range, 49,700 to 50,400. Bias, sideways to bearish. In yesterday's trade, tremors witnessed at Dalal Street, which simply caused more massive destruction to Nifty bulls' confidence. In the process, Nifty slipped below 200 DMA in intraday trade. Traders now await comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, as Wall Street traders will set their eye train to Powell's panel discussion for hints on future rate cuts, though he is likely stick to his data-dependent script. Swiggy's IPO debuted at Rs 420, up 7.7% from its issue price, and ultimately ended at 464 rupees. The IPO was oversubscribed 3.59 times, attracting significant interest from institutional investors. The company plans to utilize funds for expansion, technology enhancement, and marketing. According to CME Group's FedWatch tool, futures traders are currently pricing in a 79.1% chance of a December rate cut. The odds for rates to hold steady through the end of 2024 are placed at 21%. The Q2 results to trickle in today, Thursday, 14th November. Avanti Feeds, BDL, Bharat Forge, Grasim, Hull, Ipca Labs, ITDC Semtation, Jyoti CNC, Lemon Tree, Muthoot Finance, Swan Energy.